So here we have to find out the derivative of x raised to the power of sine inverse of x with respect to sine inverse of x. So what we'll do, we'll consider two functions u and v. So let's say u is equals to x raised to the power of sine inverse of x, and we'll consider v to be equals to sine inverse of x. Now that means we can rewrite what u as u equals to x raised to the power of v. Right. Now we'll take the logarithm on both sides. We have log of u equals to log of x raised to the power of v. So that gives us log of u equals to v multiplied to log of x. So here this is a property of logarithm. So we have brought v to the and multiply it to log of x. Now what we'll do, we'll take the derivative on both sides with respect to v. So we have derivative with respect to v of log of u equals to derivative with respect to v of v times log of x. Right. Now that means this is going to give us, we have derivative of logarithmic function, which is 1 over u times du with respect to dv. So here we have applied the chain rule as well. Now let's use the product rule. So we have derivative of v with respect to v multiplied to log of x plus v times derivative with respect to x of a derivative with respect to v of log of x. So this is going to give us the derivative of v with respect to v. So that's simply 1. So we have log of x plus v times the derivative of the logarithmic function will be 1 over x multiplied to derivative of x with respect to v. So we have 1 over u times du over dv. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the value of derivative of x with respect to v. But here we have v equals to sine inverse of x. So if we take the derivative of v with respect to x, we'll get that we have to take the derivative of the inverse sine function. The derivative of the inverse sine function, that's a standard result, which is 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. Now that means in place of dx over dv, that means derivative of x with respect to v, all we have to do is take the reciprocal. Now that means we will get derivative of u with respect to v. So this will be equals to, we have u multiplied to log of x plus u times v divided by x times the derivative of x with respect to v will be square root of 1 minus x squared. Right. Now that means our final result will be, so here we have u as the common factor in both the two terms. So this will be equals to, we have u. So u is simply given by x raised to the power of sine inverse of x. So this will be multiplied to, so the first term will give us log of x plus we have v over x. So v here is sine inverse of x divided by x multiplied to square root of 1 minus x squared. So this is the final result, and with the final result of derivative of x raised to the power of sine inverse of x with respect to sine inverse of x.